nylon 6,6 polymer. We want nylon 6,6 polymer. You know nylon 6,6 is obtained by amino, yes, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid is giving nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6. And the 6,6 stands for that number of carbon atom. This is adipic acid with hexamethylene diamine. This is adipic acid. There are 6 carbon atom. Adipic acid contains 6 carbon atom. This is wrong given. It is CH2 4 times. CH2 4 times and CC 6 carbon atom. And there is CH2 6 times. Hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. And the obtained polymer will have such a structure, and it is the second choice correct answer. It's a polyamide. 6,6 stands for what? All of you know, 6 carbon atom in adipic acid and 6 carbon atom in hexamethylene diamine. Okay.